Good afternoon and welcome to your next car's YouTube channel. Wasim here, bringing you a quick video presentation of the stunning 320i G20 M Sport we have in. This is the all new 3 Series 2009 69 reg. This vehicle is a one owner car from brand new. It has the remainder of its BMW manufacturer's warranty and breakdown until late 2022. Covered 17,000 miles. Let's take a look around. LED headlights. We of course fitted some styling upgrades which I'll show you around. We've got the full Your Next Car styling kit, gloss grills, front splitter, these beautiful 20-inch multi-spoke wheels with brand new tyres all round. We have the sidebars, privacy glass. Just a closer look of the wheels for you. Rear spoiler. Rear diffuser. This car's been debadged. That's a lovely angle there. Front and rear parking sensors on this vehicle. Reversing camera. Split folding rear seats. We have the original BMW mats there as well. This car was under 40 grand when new, so it'll be the lower tax bracket. It won't have the April 17 tax hike. Black leather, ISOFIX rear seats. 3 seat belts in the back. It's a nice view of the passenger seat for you as well. Really very tidy. And once we've done a full walk around, we'll go and take a look inside. Some of the features and options as well as the condition. Beautiful looking and one of my favourite colour combinations with the black. The first thing you'll notice is the all new BMW dash. Live cockpit, there you go, 17,000 miles. Paddle shift, cruise control, multifunction steering wheel. We have the interior lighting which follows through there, which is currently set to orange. There is different options for that as well. It's got the widescreen navigation system, Bluetooth phone and audio, media playback. Has a screen mirroring feature as well. Connected drive. With the weather, etc. Quite bleak. Very cold here today. It's your centre armrest. We've got the sports and comfort modes, etc. Service history wise, it's had its pre-delivery. The service is due in just under 3,000 miles. Long life servicing on these. It's something we can negotiate off the price. At our local dealer, it's £179 for its first oil change. That's what's due. We can either book it in somewhere local to you when it's due or have it done prior. It's not quite due yet. Car's available on HP and PCP, physically in stock, ready to drive away. So you can click and collect service and deliveries available on this vehicle. You can apply for finance on our website or give one of us a call. Thanks for watching and keep safe. Thank you.